We're at our pig roast. We're all set up, and we're going to show you our table. Do we have to do that over again?
No, we don't have to do that over
Oh,
again.
all right. We're just
this
doing this
part
one over again?
Yeah, which
Why?
obviously
Because your hair was too curly?
Yeah, and my face looked 10 times huger than
Oh,
what...
so that's why we're
yeah,
doing it
so
over.
I want to mention the hair, the curly Sue look.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have natural curly Sue
Yeah,
look.
she does.
Yeah, there you go.
she does. What is she doing back there? Okay, so wish us luck.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, this is my wine table. And most of the stuff here has to do with wine. Here's my wine necklace and some grape keychain. My cork ornaments here on my tree. These I did not video. I never got to do it. So here is a little Superman, or I don't know what that superhero is. And I did My Little Pony. I did Superman again, My Little Pony. Those are new. Okay, here are my wine charms, my wine stoppers, and these are my new glasses. I also didn't videotape these. So they're just roses. Oop, there's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. Okay, and these are my lampshades for wine glasses with the battery operated light. And then all the stuff was from the last time. I made a couple new sunglasses here. Oops. And my pens, letter openers. These are new also. These are my magnifying glasses. More pens and letter openers, magnifying glass. All of my bangle bracelets. Those are from the last time too. And all my purse charms. And I'm going to hand you to Caroline. Here you go.
Okay guys, I'm going to start off with my ornaments with the bracelets inside, which I know you guys saw. All my doggy ornaments. Obviously these purses with the purse dangles, the mini purse dangles, my necklaces that didn't sell last time, so we shall see. Bracelets with the memory wire, necklaces, earrings, which I made. I think I did videos on all the newest ones that I made. My sets here. My purses with the one dangle, the antibacterial soap. We'll see how this goes. I think it was more for the December one. And I hung these purses from the tent. I bought that hanger from the dollar store. I'm so proud of myself. I should have probably put some more here so I could hang them all up. But that's that. And here is Mama Anita's. She has all her frames that she did, and her bracelets, her keychains, her snap bracelets, which is kind of hard to see, her snap rings, and more. And there she is. Say hi, Ma.
Hi. Hope you like my frames. I worked hard.